Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the settings on the main page in NotebookLM. So let's say you're on the NotebookLM main page. There are some settings that you can adjust from this page. If you go up to the upper right and click on settings, you can get help on using NotebookLM. I know artificial intelligence can be a little bit tricky if you're first learning how to use it, especially for using it for this purpose because it doesn't really act the same as like a normal chatbot would. If you come across any issues, you can send feedback, change the output language. Light mode, you can either choose light mode, dark mode, or use the device's default. So if your device is set to use light mode, it'll use light mode. If your device is set to use dark mode, it'll use dark mode. And then if you have a subscription-based service, you can also manage that from this settings menu as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.